like a road filled with too many cars. Thoughts cloud your head. Where will you go from here? How will you find your way to home? Far away, there's a special place you've been dreaming of. They call it paradise. No worries, just the here and now. What is home for you? Is it home for me? Is it what we find deep within our hearts? You're a tree rooted out of the ground. Life's brought you here. Take your wandering mind to open doors and be